would like some feedback on the evaluation kit. On the table in front of you, please write today's date and your name, so people know when you're there.
On the table in front of us?
You could write it on the table. Mars won't mind.
I'm going to poke a little fun your way.
We're supposed to be Toastmasters, Sean Esler. However, it appears we have Mortimus, the Howard custodian of cursed souls and the Harbinger of the haunted Hiccups.
Hollows. Not hiccups.
Harbinger of the haunted Harbinger. The sunglasses. Of the haunted Hallows. Sorry. Harbinger of the haunted Hallows.
Doesn't make any list.
We're having readings. Stand in awe. Hey, I live in the forest. Leave me alone. Stand in awe and tremble with fear before Mortimus Grimshaw.
Greetings, mortals. I am Mortimus, the Howler, the Harbinger, the Custodian. Because evidently we can't hire enough help to spread the workload around anywhere. Seriously, can't even get somebody to write a legible introduction anymore. This is tough stuff. You'd think they send up like a half-demon or something to do the introduction for me. Something really terrifying. But no, we're short-staffed. We can't send up researchers like that for such common tasks. Ugh. Listen, Arethel, the Devourer, he's got like 5 imps running around with him. Zerthion, the Unending, he's got a whole team of demons. And Dracoff, the Warden, yeah, he's got an entire department of cacodemons. What do I get? Leftovers. It's not real, man. It's not fair. All right, let's get this show started, shall we? Because of your grave misdeeds, I, Mortimus the Harrower, hereby plunge this contingent of skulls into eternal darkness. Eternal darkness. Eternal darkness. This is what I get to work with. Now the only light you will see will be the burning souls of those that were taken before you. Burning souls. You know, there it is. Half the light fixtures and Dollar General burning souls. Truly terrifying. Anyway, I am Mortimus Grimshaw, and I am here to collect the souls of the Sunset Hills Home for Retired Republicans. This isn't Sunset Hills, is it? Toastmasters. Well, that explains a lot. That one there. Are you sure he's not already dead?
No, we're not sure.
I've got a few demons a couple centuries old that look better than that. Oh, my Lord. You know what? This always happens. It's that infernal logistics department. Can't get an address right to save their souls. That one they share and occasionally snack on. Seriously, do you have any idea the amount of work that goes into this? Crossing dimensions, changing planes of reality. I fill out every form, submit things to the proper departments, get the right signatures. Still, I wound up in the wrong place. Let me tell you, everybody thinks hell is all fire and brimstone and endless torture. No, it's mountains of infernal paperwork burning in your hands. You want to know the real supernatural demons?
Yes.
Middle management. Always push more and more of the tedious tasks down to the underlings, expecting more and more out of our already hollowed out souls. Then they go ahead and hire the imps of ineptitude. Let me tell you, I'll talk about directionally challenged. These ones couldn't find the direction down if you threw them off a cliff. Believe me, I tried. Often. Doesn't work. Now I get to go back, fill out form 0224G, the incidents of improper soul collection. Then there's going to be a follow-up, a review from the Department of Reapings, and then I got to go under mandatory travel training, and then another review before I can get to out harrowing again. I like harrowing. You want to know why the apocalypse really hasn't happened yet?
Why?
Inefficiencies. That's right. Every prediction we've ever sent out, and there's been a lot, you've seen them in the news. We hand it out, and then it gets pushed back. Why? Because somebody forgot to fill out form page 35 to verify that there was no conflict of a date and time for a pre-scheduled reaping of souls. All the time. Now, it's nothing more than mind-numbing buffoonery. Now, it's times like these, I wonder if the tortured souls that I am the custodian of really appreciate all the hard work that goes into this. All this work. No appreciation days. No vacation days. We don't even get a fruit basket from the Red Horn CEO. It's truly terrifying. Listen, you want to know what hell's really like? It's like your regular job, except we got better coffee. Have a good day.